Imagine replacing random one-off freelance gigs with a steady pipeline of businesses paying you every month to build AI systems that work while they sleep. In this video, we'll break down how to shift from solo freelancer to a real AI automation studio. And we'll focus on three levers: how you package what you do, how you position yourself in the market, and how you craft offers that clients say yes to fast. If you're into AI, automation, and building leverage into your income, stay with me. This can completely change the way you earn as a service provider. Let's start with where most people get stuck: the freelancer trap. You can build cool AI things, chatbots, automations, workflows, but your offer is basically, I can do AI stuff. Just tell me what you need. Clients don't really know what they need, so they haggle on price, ask for custom work every time, and treat you like a pair of hands instead of a strategic partner. You jump from project to project without a clear system, stable income, or a predictable way to get clients. The solution is to stop selling yourself as time and start selling outcomes, systems, and offers. So what is an AI automation studio? It's no longer you randomly doing tasks. It's a small, focused operation, maybe just you plus contractors or tools, that installs and maintains specific AI systems for a specific type of client. Instead of saying, I build anything with AI, you say, we install and manage AI systems that increase revenue, reduce support time, or remove manual work. And here is exactly how. You use repeatable frameworks, standard operating procedures, and productized services, so each new client is not a new puzzle, but a variation of the same engine. That's where packaging, positioning, and offers come in. To move from freelancer to AI automation studio, you don't start with fancy branding or complex tech. You start with three simple business pillars. First, packaging. How you turn your skills into clear, productized services with names, boundaries, and outcomes. Second, positioning. How you show up in the market so your ideal clients instantly understand who you help and why you're different. And third, offers. How you combine outcome, process, price, and risk reversal into a deal that feels like a no-brainer. Nail these three pillars and getting clients becomes much easier, even if your personal brand is still small. Packaging starts with a shift in language. Most freelancers sell tasks. I build chatbots. I set up automations. I connect APIs. Studios sell outcomes. We add 20-30 qualified leads per month using AI-powered outreach. Or we cut support response time by 50% with AI agents and workflows. Start by defining two things very clearly. Who do you help? For example, B2B agencies, e-commerce brands, coaches. And what is the main business result you create? More revenue, more leads, less manual work, better customer experience. When you package your skills as outcomes, clients stop comparing you on hourly rates and start seeing you as an investment. Next, turn your work into productized service levels. For example, level 1 could be an AI automation audit and roadmap, where you analyze their processes and design a clear plan. Level 2 could be core system build, actually implementing the main automations, agents, and integrations that drive results. Level 3 could be ongoing optimization and maintenance on a monthly retainer, where you monitor, tweak, and expand their AI systems as their business evolves. Each level has a clear scope, timeline, and price range. This lets clients choose how deep they want to go, and it lets you standardize delivery instead of reinventing the wheel every time. Now let's talk positioning, how you show up in the market. Being the AI person for everyone sounds safe, but it makes you invisible. Strong studios pick one main niche and a clear promise. For example, we help B2B agencies add 10, 20 qualified sales calls per month using AI-driven outreach and follow-up. Or, we help Shopify brands recover 10 to 15% extra revenue with AI-powered abandoned cart and win-back flows. A simple formula is, we help specific type of client get specific result using your AI mechanism. Referrals, content, and outreach all become much more effective. Once you know who you serve and what you promise, you need authority, but it doesn't mean becoming a massive influencer. Start by sharing simple, specific content, quick Loom videos breaking down an automation, before and after examples, mini case studies, or, if I were you, I'd automate this breakdowns for your niche. Your funnel can be very simple. Content that educates your niche. A call to action, like DM me AI for the playbook. Then, a short call where you diagnose their situation and present your offer. The goal of positioning is not to look fancy. It's to make the right people think, this person clearly understands my business and has a system for solving my problem. Let's build your offer. A strong AI automation studio offer has a few key pieces. First, a clear outcome. What will improve and by how much, even as a range. Second, a timeline. Roughly how long it takes to see the first results. Third, a simple process, 3 to 5 steps so clients know what will happen. Fourth, proof, case studies, screenshots, testimonials, or at least a demo and your own internal results. And finally, risk reversal. This could be a guarantee. Performance-based pricing or extra free work if you don't hit the agreed KPIs. When you combine these elements, price becomes just one part of a much more compelling picture. Here are a few example offers you can adapt. Offer 1. Leads. We install an AI-driven outbound and follow-up system for B2B agencies that adds 10 to 20 qualified sales calls per month within 45 days, or we keep working for free until you do. Offer 2. Support. We cut your average support response time by 50% using AI agents and smart routing while keeping human-level quality in under 30 days. Offer 3. Internal operations. We eliminate 40 hours of manual work per month by automating repetitive internal workflows with AI within 60 days. Notice how each offer is about tangible business value, not just setting up AI tools. Let's turn this into a concrete 30-pause, 90-day plan. Step 1. Pick a niche and one main outcome you want to be known for. Write your "We help X achieve Y" with AI sentence. Step 2. Define 1 to 3 productized services. For example, audit, core build, and monthly optimization. Step 3. Craft one strong flagship offer with outcome, timeline, process, proof, and risk reversal. Step 4. Talk to 50 to 100 people in that niche. Use outreach, content, and your network. Book calls, refine your messaging, and iterate your offer based on real conversations. This is how you move from being a generalist freelancer to running an AI automation studio with leverage and predictable income. If this helped you see the path from freelancer to AI automation studio, here's what to do next. Decide on your niche and your main outcome today, not someday. Then, build your first simple offer and start talking to real clients. Even if it feels messy at the beginning. On this channel, AI Business Autopilot, we share practical frameworks, tools, and real examples to help you build leverage with AI, not just more work. Hit subscribe. Drop a comment with the niche you want to serve, and I'll see you in the next video.